Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You all can see how dull and tan my face is looking. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to get rid of this stubborn tan and do a whitening facial at home with just household ingredients. And if you want to know how I do this facial, then please keep on watching. So wear something comfortable. I'm sitting in my night suit and I'm tying my hair with a hairband. If you don't have hairband, then tie your hair with handkerchief so that they don't disturb you in the process. So step 1 is cleansing. So I've taken besan, 2 spoons of besan and some raw milk. I'm gonna make a smooth paste out of it. I'm going to just add 2 to 3 spoons of raw milk into the besan and mix it really well and make a homemade cleanser out of it. Firstly, I'm gonna dip a cotton pad into the raw milk and wipe my face, clean my face nicely with the cotton pad so that it removes all the dirt and excess oil from the face. Then without rinsing my face, I'll be using the homemade cleanser we just made. I will take it into my palm and massage it gently for 4 to 5 minutes. This cleanser will work as a face wash. Besan treats acne and pimple as well as it cleans your face thoroughly. It helps to control excess sebum production. Also, raw milk has lactic acid, vitamin A, D, E, and it will lighten up your complexion. It also removes your tan. Once this is done, just wash it off with water. I just wanted to tell you, these are homemade natural ingredients. These things take little time. So do not wash your face like normal face wash. Take little time, massage it for 4 to 5 minutes and then rinse it off with water. I will be using orange in our next step, which is steam and exfoliation. So I have taken water in my steamer and I will be adding some orange peel in the steamer and take nice steam for good 8 to 10 minutes. You can do this step 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Just this step, the steaming step. If you do not have a steamer, don't worry, boil water into a pot. Put that orange peel and cover your face with the towel and take good steam. Take good steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Orange peel protects skin from free radical damage, brings back the moisture, makes our skin gluey and youthful. It works as a skin lightening agent. Also, it removes stubborn tan. Now we'll make the scrub. I have taken 2 spoons of rice flour, 1 spoon of honey and little bit of raw milk. Mix it really well. Make a nice smooth paste out of it. Do not make it really runny. You have to make a thick paste out of it, like a jaggery paste, something like that. You can see the consistency. Rice flour has anti-aging and skin brightening properties. It is also a wonderful exfoliator. You just have to apply this smooth paste and start exfoliating gently. Take your time, scrub well around the mouth and nose area, wherever you have blackheads and whiteheads. Rice flour will also help to remove acne and absorb excess oil. Honey is a natural antiseptic. It keeps skin very moisturized but not oily. It is very good for oily and acne prone skin, just like my skin. After good scrub, wash it off with normal water. Now I will be making massaging gel. For that I have taken vitamin E capsule and glycerin. You can take aloe vera gel if you don't have glycerin. Mix it really well and then massage your face for good 10 minutes. In facial, massage is very important, so follow my way or else use any tool you have. Vitamin E oil moisturizes and nourishes your skin. It adds glow and makes your skin smooth and healthy. It removes hyperpigmentation and wrinkles as well. Glycerin relieves dryness and refreshes the skin surface. It also softens our skin. After massage, just wipe it off with wet towel. For face pack, I will be needing orange juice. So this is how I strain the juice from orange, fresh orange. You can grind it if you want to. For the pack, I've taken 1 spoon of masoor dal. I just grinded it in the mixer grinder. And 1 spoon of chandan powder, 1 spoon of neem powder, and 1 pinch of kasturi haldi. It's a wild turmeric, not the khani wala haldi. I have added 2 spoons of the orange juice and made a nice paste out of it. I applied nice and thick layer of the pack and waited until it dried. Masoor dal has natural bleaching agent. It helps to get an even skin tone and it promotes skin brightening. Chandan cures pimples and acne. It removes scars and softens the skin. It has anti-tanning properties. It works on sunburn as well. Neem cleanses the skin from dirt, oil and impurities. It is a natural antioxidant. Haldi improves skin tone and overall complexion, gives blemish-free natural glowing skin. Once the pack is dried, dampen your face with water and slowly massage and remove the face pack while exfoliating your face. You have to gently exfoliate your face because we already did scrub and exfoliated our face. So be gentle and nicely, softly massage and then try to remove the pack slowly. And once the pack is all out, then wash it off your face with water and then pat dry with normal towel. Now that is done, I have used a toner and normal moisturizer. I have used vitamin C toner from Wow and Cetaphil moisturizer. You can use whatever you have and you prefer. This is how I done whitening, glowing, festive facial. I hope you must have liked this video. I really love my glow. You can compare my before and after skin. You can do this and it is completely inexpensive. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye.